Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of your health. Friends, my video contains a very beautiful and creative ideas of how you can embroider your dresses, your baby girl dresses, your shirts, kurti, frocks, as an all-over embroidery dresses, as a beautiful back neckline motif, side neckline motif, sleeve embroidery patterns. Not only the scope is limited to this, but how you can design your home decor items like quilt covers, bed sheets, cushion cover, pillows, tablecloths, and different type of fashionable girls accessories like mobile case cover, bags, footwear, and many more creativities as per your choices. The design of these beautiful floral embroidery patterns are new, unique, but at the same time easy to make. So the persons who are in search of very beautiful, creative, and at the same time easy to make hand embroidery patterns for beginners, hand embroidery design ideas that are easy and at the same time they look creative and classy. So guys, then this video collection is absolutely for you. All the designs are extremely beautiful, eye-catchy, and mesmerizing. So do try these patterns and share your experiences with us for getting more creative ideas related to hand art, needle, thread work, machine embroidery, hand embroidery, liquid embroidery, fabric painting, crochet, knitting, home decor, baby dress designing, girls' fashionable ideas, and many more creativities related to fashion world, hand art. Stay tuned for our latest and new upcoming videos. And if you are new, then don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and leave comments below my videos so that I could get to know what are your choices of interest and what you want me to share with you in my new latest upcoming videos. Up till then, take care and thank you so much for watching.